Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 6900 XT Gaming OC16G and hit enter. After that search your graphic card on this website. After that click on the product. So this is your graphic card. Click on it. And then click on support. After that select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 10. So all the operating system driver download and installations process same. And we did a driver, this is version, this is size, and this is release date, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see in the download box. It will take some time, 4 to 5 minutes, and depend about your internet. After that click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more, and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing. It will take some time, and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.